if you guys don't prepare Agile and if you guys don't take Agile very seriously, you are in a big trouble. Because only in the Agile question and answers, people can easily make out whether you have a real experience or an unreal experience. In Agile, can one ticket be assigned to two people or more than one person? This is a very frequently asked question in interviews. Have you seen one ticket getting assigned to multiple people? What is definition of done? Okay, let's do some role play. Seems like you guys did not even bother to study about Agile, did not even understand what Agile means. Okay, so let's take the case. Let's take one case study. So who are all the stakeholders here? We have one project coordinator. We have a business analyst. We have DevOps engineers. We have cloud engineers. And we have data analysts, data engineers, MLs, QAs. Okay, so let's take one case.